Ashlia introduces CLC Sir app for best learning of students in collaboration with lecturer. Chedalal Chaudhary Sir. Welcome to CLC Sir, designed to enhance your learning. Here's the login screen you'll see upon opening the app. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Make sure to input your credentials carefully. Click the Login button to access your account. Remember to create a strong password for security. A successful login will lead you to the main dashboard. Feel free to explore all the features after logging in. You can also log in using your Google account for convenience. After logging in, you'll see the course selection page. Properly select the grade in which you belong to. You can download it from Ashlia website.